you like cooking? Well, in this video, discover the most creative and useful kitchen accessories, like this fantastic peeler, an egg cracking tool, the best watermelon cake, this egg slicer, and a classic cake server. So sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. If you like to cook, you'll love this peeler. It's easy to use, can be adjusted to cut thin or thick slices, and it can be cleaned quickly and safely. This tool peels all kinds of fruits and vegetables in just a few seconds. It cuts whole pieces of fruit quickly and accurately. It's hard to take your eyes off of this peeler as it works its magic. Do you make a mess cracking eggs? Well, don't worry, because we've got this amazing tool for you. This tool will crack your eggs perfectly and gives you the option to separate the egg yolk and whites. It's so simple and always gives you the best results. To break and peel hard-boiled eggs. It's amazing. There are so many ways to drink watermelon juice, but this is by far the most fun. Surprise your friends with this watermelon cake. This project is so easy to do. Carefully cut the watermelon and hollow out its core. Then crush the remaining watermelon pieces to get a liquid texture. To finish, pour the crushed juice back into the watermelon and cover it. Insert a tap and you can now enjoy your watermelon cake. It's super easy and so fun to do. There are some kitchen utensils that you've got to have in your house, and this is one of them. Cutting a hard-boiled egg with a knife isn't easy, as the egg often crumbles, but with this tool you get perfect results. In a few seconds, this tool can cut an egg into super small pieces. It's awesome. icing birthday cake, but slicing it up isn't always an easy task. Well, look no further because we've got the tool for you. This tool is perfect for all pastry lovers. It lets you slice cake into equal portions, making it so easy to serve. It makes perfectly sized slices for your guests to enjoy. Do you want a piece? If you like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, click like, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos. You'll love it!